Hey guys, thanks for stopping by. In this video, I want to show you my honest review, and I hope I will be able to highlight all the pros and cons of this product. So let's begin.
Are you interested in earning some extra income? Affiliate marketing can be a great way to do so. In this blog post, we will explore how to start affiliate marketing, with a focus on ClickBank affiliate marketing, and provide some tips for beginners. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button if you like this video. Firstly, let's define what affiliate marketing is. It is a type of marketing where you promote other people's products and earn a commission for each sale made through your referral link. ClickBank is one of the biggest affiliate marketplaces on the internet, and it offers a wide range of digital products for affiliates to promote. Now, let's move on to the steps for starting affiliate marketing. Step 1. Choose a niche. The first step is to choose a niche that you are interested in and have some knowledge about. This will help you to create valuable content that your audience will find useful. For example, if you are interested in health and fitness, you can choose to promote products related to weight loss, supplements, or fitness equipment. Step 2. Find affiliate programs. Once you have chosen your niche, you can start searching for affiliate programs related to your niche. ClickBank is a great place to start, as it has a wide variety of products available for affiliates to promote. You can also search for other affiliate programs through Google, or by visiting other affiliate marketplaces like Amazon Associates or ShareASale. Step 3. Create content. The next step is to create valuable content that promotes the products you have chosen to promote. This can include blog posts, videos, social media posts, and email marketing. The key is to create content that provides value to your audience, and that encourages them to click on your affiliate links. Step 4. Promote your content. Once you have created your content, it's time to promote it. You can use social media, paid advertising, or SEO to drive traffic to your content. The more traffic you generate, the more chances you have of making a sale. Step 5. Track your results. Finally, it's important to track your results. This will help you to understand which strategies are working and which ones are not. You can use tracking tools like Google Analytics or ClickMeter to track your clicks, conversions, and earnings. In conclusion, affiliate marketing can be a great way to earn extra income. By following these steps, you can start your own affiliate marketing business and begin promoting products that you are passionate about. Remember, it takes time and effort to build a successful affiliate marketing business, but with dedication and perseverance, you can achieve your goals. If you want to join a group of fellow marketers and start learning from us, click the link in the description. It costs only $9 to join. You can afford that, I'm sure. So join us today.
Cool, right? The bad news is that this offer, it's not going to last long. I strongly urge you to act right now and get your marketing to the next level.